Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the sensitivity of your touchscreen on your Nintendo Switch to make it a little bit more sensitive, or maybe you change the setting and you want to go and make it less sensitive. So on the home screen here, let's go on over to System Setting, scroll on down here, and then go to Controllers and Sensors and go right and scroll on down. And we're looking for where it says Touchscreen Sensitivity. And we have two options. We have standard or stylus. If we go to stylus, it's going to be a little bit more sensitive. Using the stylus setting increases the sensitivity of the touchscreen to enhance the stylus controls. So we have two options under here. Or maybe you have like a little plastic piece or a screen cover over the Nintendo Switch. This could also make this a little bit easier to touch things if we go to stylus under here. So if it's a little difficult, change it to stylus and you should be good to go. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more technical videos coming up next on YourSixTech.